Opari, and today we're talking about seasoning and spices. In today's fast-paced, processed food culture, many of us don't know the seasoning and spices necessary to create delicious, healthy foods at home. Today I'm going to show you the combinations that you can use to create delicious Indian, Mexican, Italian, Chinese, Jamaican, and Middle Eastern food right in your own kitchen. With a little knowledge and a willingness to experiment, you will soon be creating some wonderful dishes of your own. For Indian food, moving clockwise from the top, I have ginger, crushed red pepper, turmeric root and ground turmeric, cardamom pods and ground cardamom, curry powder, hot peppers, nutmeg, and mustard seeds in the center. You can also find a number of seasoning mixtures called masalas, such as garam masala and other popular seasoning mixes already prepared for you. For your Mexican dishes, use cumin, bell peppers, chili powder, hot peppers such as jalapenos or poblanos, cilantro, dried peppers such as ancho peppers, garlic, onions, oregano, and lime juice. You can make it as spicy as you like. Italian dishes, starting at the bottom, using fresh herbs such as parsley and oregano and rosemary, dried red peppers, dried herbs such as bay leaves and sage and basil, fennel, onions and garlic, and you can also use prepared Italian seasoning mix. And of course, we use olive oil. For Jamaican seasoning, use bell peppers, limes, oregano, ginger, curry powder, hot peppers such as Scotch bonnet, this is a jalapeno, allspice, nutmeg, cumin seeds, fresh or dried thyme, onions, and garlic. And visit your international spice section for jerk seasoning. For our Middle Eastern dishes, we use tahini, which is a sesame seed butter. Also use lemon juice, paprika, lots of parsley and cumin and garlic, and of course olives and olive oil. For an authentic Chinese flavor, sesame oil is key. I generally add a little touch of toasted sesame oil. We use green onions, ginger. If you like spicy, add some crushed red pepper or some chili oil, garlic, the saltiness with tamari or soy sauce or namashoyu for raw foods. Some mirin or rice cooking wine adds little sweetness, and some 5-spice. In the countries in West and North Africa, you'll find the spices of bell pepper, ginger, cilantro, red peppers, cumin, cardamom, turmeric, saffron, and garlic. Often the food is very highly spiced. I found these spices from Nigeria in West Africa at a large international grocer here in the Atlanta area. If you don't have access to a store like this, look online. There are a number of companies that will ship you the spices and seasonings that you're looking for. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Each region has many other flavor combinations, and there are many other places around the world that we could explore. Visit your international grocer and see what other exciting things you can discover. So there you go. There are the seasonings and spices you need to create delicious international foods in your own kitchen. If you liked this video and you'd like to see more, please visit us at foodforthesoul.opari.net, where you can find recipes, kitchen tip videos, our blog, online trainings, and a community of Black vegetarians. Visit foodforthesoul.opari.net. I'm Ama Opari, wishing you healthy, happy eating. Click the link in the description box below to visit the site and sign up for our free Kitchen Tips video series. So there you go.
very loud here. Airplanes, dogs, birds. That mockingbird is just going crazy. You would think with all that singing he does in the day, he would need to sing all night long.